Dazzle for We Are Memory Keepers, and we want to thank you for helping us reach our goal of getting to 45,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. In fact, we've even passed that, and it's gotten us so excited that we want to try again. So this time our goal is to get to 47,000 subscribers, and we want to ask for your help one more time. So for helping us, we're going to do a giveaway, and we want to give to one of you this set of gifting tools. We've got the Jumbo Pom-Pom Maker, the Tassel Loom, and the Bow Loom. And those are perfect for the upcoming holiday season, or for really any project, home decor, accessories, all kinds of fun projects. So if you're interested in winning this, be sure to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel. Also share this video with your friends and let them know about the giveaway. And comment below and tell us whether you would like to add a pom-pom, a tassel, or a bow to your gift wrap. And once we've hit 47,000 subscribers, we will pick one of our subscribers who commented below to win this prize pack. So thanks again for your help, and we're looking forward to our next goal of 47,000 subscribers.